it's Mia, and today we're going to be making a lemon tart. Now, I know what you're thinking. You don't like lemon desserts. Mostly that's true. And I definitely don't like surprise lemon desserts. Sometimes I do enjoy a lemony dessert. I know it's coming. And there's something ultimately French about a lemon tart. So that's what we're going to make today. Let's get to it. To make our sweet short crust pastry, I'm going to make a half a batch today. So I'm just making one tart. So there's 145 grams of flour, 1 gram of salt, and 87 grams of butter. And we're going to add 17 grams of almond flour, 55 grams of confectioner sugar. Keep doing it. We're going to add 1 gram of vanilla and 40 grams of egg yolks. Mix that until just combined. Now we refrigerate. Got my tart crust that I made last night. So I'm going to roll this out. We put a tart on a pan and we blind bake that for 15 minutes at 325. Oop. Don't drop it. Now, we have to zest lemons. So we want the zest of half a lemon, and then we need 140 grams of lemon juice. We remove our blind baking beans. And bake another 5 more minutes. So in our lemon juice bowl, we're going to add a pinch of salt and 100 grams of sugar. And we're going to stir that up until the sugar's dissolved. So our tart is done, and we set that over here to cool. In a separate bowl, we're going to measure out another 100 grams of sugar. Then we need to add 175 grams of eggs. So now we whisk this all up. Once it's all mixed up, we're going to add our lemon juice and the other half of our sugar. or zest. You remember in the 90s? I don't know if this was like a thing or if it was just a weird thing with my friends, but they were trying to make like zesty, a slang word. We're going to make a double boiler with some water in a saucepan. And we're going to set that over top. I want to prepare another bowl for when this mixture reaches 176 degrees Fahrenheit. So this finally got to 176 degrees. Took a long time. Almost out of heat stroke, but we're good. We have 192 grams of butter at room temperature, and I'm going to add half of that. Just gonna chop that up a little bit. Okay, let's add another half of butter. Butter. Alright, now pie crust is cool. And we're just going to fill her up. I have a little lemon peel here for decoration. And I'm just going to set that like so. And then we put this in the fridge to cool for a couple hours so it can really set. Okie doke. Here is our lemon tart. Looks pretty tarty to me. Should we try it? All right, let's try it. It's probably very good if you like this sort of thing. It's nice, it's smooth, it's tangy, yet buttery and sweet. I'm just not a lemon person. I don't know. I don't really get it. I can see where someone might really enjoy a lemon tart. It's not me. It's okay. Technically speaking, I think it came out really nice. Smooth, shiny, pretty, filled up to the top. It does taste nice. It's just not my thing. I still had a lot of fun making it. I will probably never make this again, but it was a good experience. So, join me next week when I whisk up something else.